Welcome to Yvonne Meets Food, where I share my passions for making food, eating food, as well as traveling the world to eat and discover even more delicious food. Today we're going to be making one of my very favorite fruit shakes. It is a bit peculiar in the Western world, but it's super common in Southeast Asia, and that is an avocado shake. Although here in the US and in other Western countries, people oftentimes think of avocado in savory food contexts. In Southeast Asia and in other parts of the world, avocados are actually used in a sweet application. So in the Philippines, for example, really ripe avocado is mashed and oftentimes served with crushed ice as well as sweetened condensed milk. And in countries like Vietnam, which is where my mom is from, they are oftentimes used in avocado shakes. If you have watched my videos before, one of the places that I did a vlog at was at Faustine, which is a Vietnamese bakery deli that is out in Sunset Park here in Brooklyn, New York, where they are really well known for their banh mi or their Vietnamese sandwiches, and they also have an array of delicious fruit shakes, including an avocado shake, which I'm really obsessed with. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it. It will definitely give you a sense of what a really authentic and delicious Vietnamese sandwich is, as well as what you can expect from an avocado shake. So to get started today, I'm not gonna be making an authentic Vietnamese style avocado shake. It's not gonna have sweetened condensed milk. It's not gonna have avocado ice cream. I feel like that's a bit more for indulgent days. This is more of an everyday avocado shake that you can make either as a snack, as a quick refreshment in the afternoon, or even as a nutritious breakfast. It is very simple. Mine only has 4 ingredients plus ice, and I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. So you can choose any type of milk that you would like. We're gonna use oat milk today. Of course, for avocado shake, we're gonna need avocados. So we're gonna be making 2 servings, 1.5 avocados for this. It's very indulgent because it's got an entire avocado and a half split between 2. We're gonna use just a little bit of sugar. So it's gonna bring out the natural sweetness of the avocado. Lastly, this is totally optional, but I like to add in a little bit of chia seed just for additional fiber. Very lastly, if you even wanna include this as an ingredient, we're also gonna need some ice. When you're cutting an avocado, just be really careful. This is actually an injury that is very common in emergency rooms pretty much around the country. You always wanna make sure to use a really sharp knife and then hold the avocado really steady, and then just cut all the way around the avocado. So there we've got 2 halves, very clean. This is perfectly ripe, it's not too ripe. And then what we want to do is we want to safely deep hit the avocado. This is the scary part. Make sure your knife is super sharp and that you have a really steady hand when you're doing this. So we're going to take this avocado, just kind of hack it right in the center so that you know that the knife has a good handle on the pit, and then just rotate it. See? Make sure that you always have a firm grip though, and then you'll easily be able to deep hit the avocado without any accidents and no trips to the emergency room. So the hard part's already been done. Now we just need to throw everything into the blender. So I'm just gonna take all this avocado that I just took out of the pit, throw it into the blender, and then we're gonna blitz everything together. Add in the milk, so 1.5 cups of your choice of milk, then add the sugar, chia seeds, and about a handful of ice roughly. And then pop the lid on, and then we're gonna get the blender going. So we're gonna blend this on high for about a minute or 2 depending on the speed and the power of your blender. So here goes. So now we're gonna pour it into glasses and check the sweetness. Now we've poured these into glasses and we're gonna take a quick taste together just to make sure it's all good to go. This is super yummy. It's really creamy, it's really thick, It's really luscious on the tongue. You can taste that creaminess and that sweetness from the avocado melding with the sugar. And you even get a little bit of hint of nuttiness because of the chia seeds that we added to this. So good. So I hope that this video has inspired you to make avocado shakes at home and to try avocado in sweet applications. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear feedback from you in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel for more travel, more food, more cooking coming up, and I will see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye.